Hello friends, so today we will see about increment model. So what is increment model? An incremental model is basically the process of software development where requirements will be divided into multiple standalone modules of the software development cycle. So in this model, each module goes through the requirement, design, implementation and testing phase, and every subsequent release of the model adds function to the previous release, and the process will keeps on continuing till we achieve the complete system. So we can see here requirements are there and it is divided into sub modules. So we will have different builds like build 1, build 2, build, and it will continuous go to build n. So we will have a separate design and development, testing, implementation phases. Now we will see the different phases of incremental model. So first we will have a requiremtal analysis. So in the first phase, the incremental model, the product analysis expertise identifies the requirements and the system functional requirements are understood by the requirement analysis team. So second stage will be design and development. In this phase of incremental model of SDLC, the design of the system functionality and the development basically will go on. So the development methods are finished with success. The next stage is testing. So in this, the incremental model, the testing phase basically checks the performance of each existing function as well as additional functionality. The next will be the implementation. So the implementation phase enables the coding phase of the development system. So it will involves basically the final coding that designs in the designing and development phase and tests the functionality in the testing phase. So after completion of this phase, the number of products working is enhanced and upgraded to the final system product. So the next is when we use the incremental model. So when the requirements basically are superior, a project has a lengthy development schedule, when software team are not very well skilled or trained, when the customer demands a quick release of the product and you can develop the prioritized requirement first. So these are the particular requirements when we, so in this case when we can use basically the incremental model. Now coming to the advantages. So what will be the advantages of incremental model? So first is errors are easy to recognize, so it will be easier to test and debug. It is more flexible, simple to manage. The clients will get important functionality earlier. Coming to disadvantages of incremental model. So we will require need for good planning when total cost is high. Well-defined module interfaces are needed. So hope you guys like the video. Thanks.